All right, we have an update on Taylor Morrison Verdin community. Love that I've been talking to all of you guys who've been reaching out for our first video, so I wanted to do another to give you the scoop and the latest information that we have on this amazing community up here in North Phoenix. So again, we're at Verdin, and this community has really grown a lot. This is going to be a really big special community, and the newest information we have is there are 5 phases, and the lot sizes for those 5 phases are going to range from 50 to 120 all the way up to 100 to 150. So what does that mean if you're watching this video? Well, if you're somebody who wants a new home, you want customization, you want a potential RV garage, you want a bigger size lot, lots of flexibility and customization, this is probably the community for you. They're gonna have all sorts of different sizes, price ranges. So we have all that information ready for you too. If you want a list of the different community phases, right? The different collections, the series, the floor plans, the pricing, the lot sizes, we've got all of that stuff ready for you. The second thing I wanted to bring up is the way this community is shaping up is it's going to feel very private, right? You're backing up to a nature preserve just to the north here. And as you guys can see behind me, the community is building from the back to the front. So it's really going to have a really private feel, but it's easy access again to Cave Creek and really a lot of amenities nearby. So I love this community for those reasons. So again, if you're looking to buy a home and you're curious about Verdin, you want to know more, all you have to do is call me, text me, email me. My information is here, and I can get you some special incentives like early access to be one of the first people to pick out a lot here. And here's a really cool thing that we're offering. If you have a home to sell and you want to buy here, we can sell your house for 1%. We can save you a ton of money, help you have a great time doing it, and have a great experience. So if that appeals to you, if you have interest, all you have to do is reach out, call, text, email. And even if you don't have a home to sell, we can still help you buy a home here and get all those crazy incentives, help you have a great experience. So again, I would love to talk to you. I've already talked to a ton of people about this community. There's a lot of interest building, so don't wait, reach out. We already have a lot of people on our list. Be sure to reach out so we can get you on the list as well and get you a beautiful home up here in North Phoenix at Verdin.